Facebook remarketing premium tools and services to consider in 2019 and 2020. Perfect Audience. www.perfectaudience.com. Perfect Audience is also a retargeting tool similar to AdRoll. In a few easy steps, you can set your desired retargeting campaign using a variety of segmentation criteria. It allows you to create and run ads at any given budget you set. Like AdRoll, Perfect Audience is also a cross-channel and cross-device tool with a simpler interface and less sophisticated features. Quaya. www.quaya.com. Quaya is a professional Facebook and Instagram ads tool where you can track your remarketing ads. It is specifically designed for media marketing experts with a wide variety of features like A/B testing, campaign analysis and management, engagement analytics, multi-channel marketing, and third-party integration. One popular feature of Quaya is it allows you to schedule your campaign at times when it's more likely to produce better results. Unlike Facebook Ads Manager, this tool is available on a monthly paid subscription basis only. Prices start from $149 per month. AdEspresso. AdEspresso.com. AdEspresso is a blend of ease and sophistication in one social advertising tool. Its sophistication lets you manage your Facebook remarketing efforts with awesome flexibility. Small businesses can create and manage advertising content across different channels, including Facebook, with minimal cost, time, and effort. Popular features of AdEspresso includes an effective data sync tool for retargeting in multiple platforms, quick and clear drag-and-drop PDF report generation, customization of report templates, and detailed metrics for data analysis. It is also more affordable for small businesses compared to Quaya, as the subscription fee starts from $69 per month. Hootsuite Ads. Hootsuite.com/products/ads. Hootsuite Ads is a popular tool for Facebook remarketing for some of its distinctive features. It selects the posts best suited for your target audience by scanning your Facebook page. It guides you with its automated targeting and bidding algorithm to design your campaign that may yield the best outcome. It also increases your efficiency by facilitating content approval workflow, assigning messages to team members to respond, and providing built-in content and asset library. You can pick any of the 4 bundles of services it offers for fees starting from $19 per month. Retargeting. Retargeting.biz/en. Retargeting specializes in dynamic ad benefits for Facebook marketers. It helps you to make creative and smart ads very fast and promises you a higher revenue-to-cost ratio. You can also track the performance of your ads with this tool. Campaign benefits include helping and retaining your current customers, as well as getting the abandoned customers back to your business by remarketing. You can personalize your products based on the customer insights you get from this tool. Prices start from €53 per month. AdStage. www.adstage.io/. AdStage provides you with a one-stop service to monitor, optimize, and schedule cross-channel campaigns, including on Facebook. Its if-then logic, scheduling, and rotation functions lets you control your ads to be shown when people are most likely to take action, which is awesome for Facebook remarketing. It provides you with reporting, automation, and data API facilities, and you get the option to buy any of these single facilities rather than paying for a bundle offer. However, the price for the product bundle starts from $838 per month. DriftRock. www.driftrock.com. DriftRock is yet another multi-channel remarketing tool, but it functions differently from others. It conducts Facebook marketing in 4 steps: create, automate, trigger, and lead response. To achieve higher ROI from any campaign, it considers additional variables, e.g. weather, rather than relying only on the time of day. DriftRock is used by big companies in automobile, retail, and education industries. It offers you a price based on channels you wish to cover and the features you want to have. AdRoll. www.adroll.com. AdRoll is a retargeting tool that targets the visitors of your page who left without converting and shows them your ad on Facebook to get them back to your page. It offers flexibility in terms of budgeting and reach. It allows you to set your budget on a daily basis and make changes whenever you want. As a cross-channel and cross-device tool, AdRoll maximizes the reach to your targeted customers on Facebook and other channels on different kinds of devices. BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo.com. BuzzSumo is an amazing tool that finds the most popular content on a topic by a simple keyword search, which is very helpful to use for remarketing purposes. So, you can create more relevant ads and other content that your customers actually care about and thus generate more organic traffic. You can find leading influencers who can promote your product on Facebook or other platforms. BuzzSumo also helps you to find what's popular on your competitor's page by letting you see popular content on a specific domain. Prices start from $79 per month. Yext. www.yext.com. If you want to retarget local audiences from your ads on Facebook, Yext is the tool for you. You can easily find the people inside a certain radius of your business address with this tool. It allows you to improve your online local listings with the Yext listing feature, as well as control and update the business information you share on a scheduled and real-time basis. It also helps to generate more customer reviews. Prices for different plans range from $4 to $19 per week. Facebook remarketing success stories. Maple Bear Brazil. Maple Bear Brazil is an international school system that provides bilingual education in English and Portuguese. Its aim was to cut down costs per lead by 30% without disrupting precision. By using the Facebook Pixel, they were able to create custom audiences based on region, age, interests, and people with school-aged children. They also used lookalike audiences in order to reach the right people. This successful campaign brought them 3 times more leads, minimized cost per acquisition at 2x, and got a 40% reduction in cost per lead as well. Entel. Entel is a telecommunications company that has been offering internet and phone connections in Peru and Chile since 2014. They wanted to skyrocket their phone sales by running a 2-for-1 promotion on mobile phones. They decided to use custom audiences in order to show the ads to people who previously showed interest to switch their actual phone company or get another mobile phone. To achieve this goal, they ran a Facebook campaign that showed 5 images of a 2-for-1 phone promotion, targeting people in Peru aged between 18 and 65 only. Thanks to this customized campaign, they were able to generate an 8% uplift in sales in the devices for the 2-for-1 promotion and a 2.8% increase for other devices as well. Procter & Gamble and Magazine Luiza. P&G is a consumer brand that sells family care products, while Magazine Luiza runs more than 900 stores in Brazil. Both the giants wanted to increase their sales, so they opted for a collaborative ad on Facebook to target people for brand awareness and easy conversions. They also used the Facebook Pixel and custom audiences for this. The collaboration did wonders, as P&G yielded a 5.2x higher return on ads for both Pampers and Gillette products, and Magazine Luiza enjoyed higher returns as well. Sicredi. Sicredi is a financial institution that deals in offering business products and services. The company came up with a promotional banner, Together in Russia, that portrayed a partnership between Sicredi and Visa so as to entice people to spend on the credit cards and increase memberships. By using the custom audiences and lookalike audiences, they ran a campaign on Facebook which offered a chance to win a weekly draw with amazing prizes such as TVs, soccer balls, travel packages, etc., to people who spent 120 reais on their credit card. This campaign got them 33,000 new registrations, an 11% bump in Visa card usage, 42% Facebook conversions, and 60% Facebook conversions from video ads. Moe's Burger. This one is a Japanese fast food restaurant that wanted to increase its sales and audience using Facebook video ads. To achieve this by using custom audiences, their ad agency Allied Architects ran a Facebook video campaign that targeted users between 20 to 39 who were out of bounds from the traditional media. The campaign gained immense success as the video view count reached 1.52 million, and about 930,000 people reacted to the video ads. There was a total of 1.3x increment in sales too. Tripaneer. This holiday planning agency hails from Amsterdam and is considered to be one of the most successful ones in the business. It had an aim to bring more people to their website and make them book trips. They created a custom audience of people who had viewed specific trips. Then they ran a campaign that showed yoga training holidays and packages in the local currency of the user's country. This was a unique approach and really attracted a lot of travel enthusiasts. Moreover, it got them 26% more conversions, a 32% cost reduction, and 29% more return on an ad. ProNet Security Service. This company has been providing commercial and residential security services since '95. It wanted to increase leads, but at the same time lower the cost per lead. They ran a brand awareness campaign on Facebook in which they used their CRM data to target Turkish people between 24 and 55 on factors such as active passive alarm use, demographics, lifetime value, etc. The videos answered the customers' concerns, while the video and retargeted lead ads targeted the products and services. This campaign got them a 10% sales increase, 32% cost reduction, 71% higher conversion rate, and a 77% increase in sales appointments as well. Netshoes. Netshoes started off with selling shoes at physical stores, and it took them only 5 years to switch to an e-commerce platform. Its goal was to boost the monthly sales of November, taking advantage of Black Friday. The creative team came up with an intuitive Facebook campaign that showed dynamic ads and videos with a Black November logo to attract users above 18 who scrolled through the newsfeed. They used custom audiences, the Facebook Pixel, and app event optimization in the app. The campaign helped them bag 24.5% more sales, a 14-point increment in ad recall, 6-point brand growth, and a 5-point recognition boost in sports products. Flow Motion. Flow Motion is known for offering smartphone stabilizers, which is a 3-axis outdoor tech. The brand's goal was to increase website orders in a time period of 50 days. They ran a campaign on Facebook which targeted European and North American users who had already made a visit to the Flow Motion website but bounced without purchasing anything. Hence, they made a 45-second video that showcased the technical capabilities of Flow Motion products to increase conversions. The campaign was successful and managed to score 6x returns on Facebook ads and campaign ads separately, and a 2x increment in sales too. Blue to Purple. It's a digital agency that operates in Belgium and serves many startups and businesses. Its goal was to increase brand awareness when Auto5, a Belgian auto center, sought help from Blue Purple to aid them in improving their position and increase sales of various products including bike racks, boxes, roof bars, etc. After creating a custom audience of quality prospective customers, Blue to Purple ran a campaign on Facebook to raise Auto5's exposure as a brand by showcasing their summer products through targeted videos and posts to the relevant audience. This 7-week campaign was successful in generating a 16x return on ad remarketing, a 5.8x on ad spend, and a 9.9-point increment in brand awareness. What do you need right before using Facebook for remarketing by using your sources? Website traffic. Creating a custom audience from website traffic is fairly easy, and the first thing you'll need is an active website with content that attracts a healthy amount of traffic. It is important that you have admin access to your website's code. For example, a WordPress website that allows you to easily access the code from the dashboard, and that allows you to edit it manually. Also, you need an active Facebook ads account from where you'll set up a Facebook tracking pixel. If you or someone from your team has already set up a pixel on your account, you'll need to sign up for a Facebook for Business account at https://www.facebook.com/business. The last thing you'll need is to install the Facebook tracking pixel on your website. After your pixel starts tracking traffic, you will be able to create a custom audience using website traffic. App activity. You can create a custom audience made of people who have used your app. To create this type of custom audience, you first need to create an app on Facebook. To create an app, start by going to https://developers.facebook.com/apps in your browser. Click on the New App tab. Enter your new app's display name and your contact email on the pop-up, and click on Create App ID. Next, select a scenario where you'll integrate your new app with Facebook and click on Confirm. Then start building your app for its intended use. Of course, you'll need to get people to use your app so Facebook can add these users to your custom audience. You can reach potential app users by promoting it organically, and by creating an ad campaign to advertise your app. You can do it by going to the campaign creation page in your Facebook Ads Manager at facebook.com/adsmanager/creation and selecting App Installs as your marketing objective. Customer file. One of the best and most cost-effective ways of creating a custom audience on Facebook is by using a customer file. Facebook scans the information in your customer file to locate leads and customers among its users. Once Facebook locates these users, it will add them to your custom audience. The first step that you have to take is to connect your ad account to the Business Manager if you haven't already. All you have to do is to click on the menu icon from your Ads Manager dashboard and to select Audiences. On the Audiences page, you'll be prompted to connect this ad account to the Business Manager. Click on Connect, and then on Create New Business if you have not set up a business before. Next, you need a customer file. You can create a customer file by downloading a customer file template from facebook.com/images/example_files/example_audience_file.csv. Then, all you have to do is to add the customer information to each tab on the Excel file. Offline activity. Facebook also allows you to create a custom audience from people who have interacted with your business offline, such as people who have visited your store. To create this type of custom audience, you'll need to create an offline event first. Start on your Ads Manager dashboard. Click on the menu icon and then click on Offline Events. On this page, you will be asked to upload a file with details about offline events. You can download an offline events template on this page by clicking on Download Example CSV File. In this file, you will add the personal and contact info of an in-store lead or customer, and then the offline event at the end of the file. In this example, we are adding a purchase as the offline event and the amount spent. Save your file and then click on Select File. Upload your file and click on Map Data. Make sure that all data is mapped correctly, and then click on Review. Review the information on the next page and click on Start Upload. After all the data is hashed, click on Close and see results. Your new offline event has been set up, and now you can use it to create a custom audience. Facebook remarketing frequently asked questions in 2019 and 2020. Do custom audiences update automatically? If you set a rule for your custom audience that when they visit a specific page of your website, The custom audience will automatically update to those people, and if you don't set the rules, it will update anyone who will visit your website. How long does it take for a custom audience to populate? It will take only 30 minutes to populate the custom audience. When it's ready to use, then there will be a notification for you on your website. When a new Facebook custom viewer is made, then it will take 30 minutes to populate the custom audience. The number of people that are connected with your content will have an impact on the number of Facebook consumers of your business. How many people do you need to make a lookalike audience? Lookalike viewers are viewers on Facebook that can be collected from any dataset, like lists of customers, pages, website-specific viewers, application users, and engagement-specific viewers. At a minimum, you need 100 users to be able to create similar audiences from many datasets. After years of working with similar viewers, you need at least 1,000 emails to create similar audiences, and more than 5,000 fans to make accurate viewers based on your page or post. What is the minimum audience size number for Facebook ads? The minimum number of viewers that you can use display ads for on Facebook is 1,000 people. When you build a viewer, you will see a note from Facebook that the viewer is too small or dense. If you are building an audience for retargeting, let the ads run as soon as possible. You also have to keep an eye on the frequency of your advertisements and make sure not to burn out your audience. When you run a standard ad, Facebook will show that the audience is too small with anything less than 1,000 people. What is a lookalike audience? Facebook lookalike viewers are the best way to reach people who are similar to your current customers and followers. When creating a similar Facebook audience, it's best to keep them small compared to targeting 10% of a country's population. It makes perfect sense because Facebook creates a similar audience based on similar people with your custom audience. When creating Facebook similar viewers, you can select between ranges of 1% to 10% of the total population in your chosen country, with 1% being those closest to your source. How big should your Facebook audience be? There are a number of rules that can help to determine the size, such as analyzing the number of people in the specific location you are targeting and grouping your target audience. Then, comparing this with the strength Facebook gives you. If it is too low or too high, adjust accordingly. How much does Facebook retargeting cost? The truth of the matter is that your costs will vary according to the month, the day, the time, and the location. And those are only a fraction of the variables in play. There are some major factors that influence the cost of your ads, such as advertising objective, type and amount of the offer, audience, advertising quality, and its industry. This cost is determined in different ways, such as cost per click and cost per thousand, etc. What is the difference between remarketing and retargeting? Retargeting and remarketing, although both words are sometimes used interchangeably, have many vital differences. For both, the main difference is in the strategy. In retargeting, it shows ads based on cookies to potential customers. On the other hand, remarketing is in the email. We can also say that remarketing works by collecting consumer details and making a list. Then these lists are used to forward sales emails. Remarketing and retargeting are impressive methods, but a combination of these two could be the best strategy to increase your digital marketing activities and increase your profits. Can you share a Facebook audience? Shared audiences are a way to let others access the audiences you've created for your ads. You can share massively custom and similar audiences between ad accounts and or media agencies, as long as both the sharer and the recipient are linked to a business manager. To share a personalized Facebook audience, go to Audiences in Business Manager, select Audience, click on the Actions drop-down menu, and then on Share. Can you export Facebook audiences? Yes, it is possible to export Facebook audiences. To begin, first go to the Export tab, and then after doing this, click on New Export. Then select the estimated audience of interest, then select the destination of Facebook. In the last step, choose the lookalike option. This new personalized audience will be displayed on your Audiences tab in the Facebook Ads Manager. along with a categorization named as value-based. What do you need right before using Facebook for remarketing by using Facebook sources? Video. To create a custom audience from a video on Facebook, you need to post a video to your Facebook business page first. You can do it by going to your business page, clicking on the photo or video button under Write Post, upload your video, and optimize the caption to generate attention and organic traffic. You can increase the reach of your video so you can add even more people to your custom audience by clicking on the Boost Post button after you publish your video. Make sure to select video views as your objective, set up your audience, and click on Boost. Lead form. You can create a custom audience made of people who have opened or completed one of your Facebook lead gen forms. You can create lead gen form ads from the Ads Manager by selecting lead generation as your marketing objective. Create the ad set by setting up a target audience, placements, and budget. Next, set up your ad creative by selecting a format, media, and entering your ad copy. Lastly, click on the New Form button to create and customize your lead gen form. You can launch your campaign after you finish it. Instant experience. You can also create a custom audience made of people who have interacted with your instant experience post on Facebook. To create an instant experience post to collect remarketing leads, go to your Facebook page and click on Photo or Video, then select Instant Experience. Now add a caption on top of the post, and click on the plus button to start adding your elements. You can add buttons, image carousels, photos, text blocks, videos, and headers to an instant experience post. Click on Save after you add all your elements, and then on Finish. Now select your new instant experience from the field menu and then click on Share Now. You can increase the number of people that will interact with this post by boosting it. Instagram Business Profile. You can create a custom audience from people who have interacted with your Facebook ads on Instagram. For this, you will need to connect Instagram to your ads account. Go to the Ads Manager and click on the menu icon. Click on Business Settings and then on the Accounts tab on the next page. Now click on Instagram Accounts. Click on Add and enter your Instagram username and password in the pop-up. Now connect your ad account to Instagram and click on Finish. Then confirm by clicking on Done. Events. You can create custom audiences made of people who have interacted with your events on Facebook. To create this type of audience, you will need to set up an event first. Start by going to your Facebook business page. Now click on the Events button. Now you can start customizing your event by adding a promo photo or video, the event name, the location and description, selecting an event category, a frequency, dates, and times. You can also add other pages or friends as event co-hosts, a schedule, and keywords to maximize organic reach. Now customize admissions and permissions to post on the event page. Then click on Publish. You can increase the number of people that interact with your event by clicking on the Boost Event button on the event page and customizing an ad campaign to promote the event. Facebook page. Lastly, you can create a custom audience made of people who follow or that have interacted with your Facebook business page. The only requirement to create this type of audience is that you have an active Facebook page that drives constant engagement. You can increase the number of people to add to this type of audience by creating an ad to promote your page. On the campaign creation page, select engagement as your marketing objective. Then select what type of engagement you'd like to drive, post engagement or page likes. Then create the ad campaign. Creating a custom audience by using your sources. Hello there, everyone. Let's take this training one step further. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to create custom audiences using your sources. To create any type of custom audience, You have to click on the menu icon from the Ads Manager dashboard. Next, you have to click on Audiences. On the next page, you'll simply have to click on the Custom Audiences button. This will open the menu from where you'll select the type of custom audience that you want to set up. Ready to get started? Website traffic. Okay, let's first create a custom audience using website traffic. First, click on the website traffic option. Now let's add people to your audience. Start by selecting an inclusion criteria. Select any if you want to add people who meet the criteria that you select, or select all if you want to add people that meet all of the criteria that you select. Now click on the drop-down menu below to select the pixel that you edited to track the users that you'll add to this audience. Now start selecting the criteria. Here you can select all website visitors and the number of days since they were last active on your site, people who visited specific web pages and enter the exact page they visited, and visitors by time spent, and select time spent on site as a percentile. You can include more criteria by clicking on Include More People and applying the same steps. You can also exclude criteria by clicking on Exclude People and applying the same steps. Now enter the name of your new audience in the Name Your Audience field and click on Create Audience. App Activity. To create a custom audience from App Activity, select App Activity from this menu. Now select an inclusion criteria. Now select the app from where you want to get users to your custom audience. Next, select your criteria. Here you can select anyone who opened the app and then select the number of days that have passed since they last opened your app. Most active users, and then select top active users by percentile, users by purchase amount, and then top purchasers by percentile, and users by segment. Please be aware that to select users by segment, you will need to define segments in Facebook Analytics first. Next, include or exclude more criteria. Then enter the name of this new audience into the Name Your Audience field and click on Create Audience. Customer File. To create a custom audience from a customer file, select Customer File from this menu. Next, you have to select what type of customer file you're going to import. Select Use a file that includes customer lifetime value if you added customer lifetime value as a customer attribute to your file. Select Use a file that doesn't include lifetime value if you didn't include this as a customer attribute to your file. Or select Import from MailChimp if you want to import your customer file from your MailChimp contacts. For this example, we are going to select Use a file that doesn't include lifetime value. Next up, select your original data source. Then click on Upload File to upload the file from your computer. Now enter the name of your new audience and click on Next. Now review the information that will be mapped to your audience and click on Upload and Create. Offline Activity. To create a custom audience from offline activity, you have to select Offline Activity from this menu. Next, select an inclusion criteria. Then select an offline event from the list. Now select your criteria. Here you can select people who interacted offline and the number of days that have passed since they last interacted with your business offline. This criteria includes any or all people in your custom offline event that matches a Facebook profile. You can include or exclude people using a different offline event. After this, enter the name of your new audience and then click on Create Audience. And this is it, my friends.